Today I would like to review this new Skandia by Hampton Forge, all those knives. Let's remove them from the packing. This is the product itself, product specifications. Costco store right now they place it with deal. So nice. First we read the manual, warranty. This is how they look. To show you more precise, pretty sharp, so be careful, do not hurt yourself. Stainless blade, extremely sharp. Sleeve. The next one will be Cutlery Set knife, the yellow one. So this one is a real chef, can chop tomatoes, cucumbers, very sharp all of them, as they are. The same sleeve. Be extremely careful while handling those. You can cut bread, very handy in the kitchen. The same you can put into the sleeve.
Cuchillo para pan.
Yes, and the last one, the strongest one, I guess, like almost like a butcher knife. The name for this knife is Cutlery Chef.
Cuchillo para chef.
Yeah, cuchillo para chef. This is how they look. But be careful, always keep them on sleeves. This is not a place. Accidentally can injure yourself or others. Alright then, this was the review. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.